to year, still I see the same old things. People storm, people fall, yet they will not spread their wings. Money burned, lessons learned, added to my victory. I need to cherish my time, but I want to get back in the grind. So I agree to disagree with my damn self. Wicked thoughts be running out through my mind and visions. It's far from easy to keep making these grown-up decisions. Should I pimp on these hoes, make movies pay what they owe? Should I show them who they fucking with or let that shit go? Life specialized in throwing niggas jabs in the face. Plus all these two-faced suckers you run into every day. I tell they asses what I think when they ask and they believe me. Cause I'm real as it gets, never been shiesty or greedy. I know the game as well as I know my own reflection. Master the recognition of bullshit and deception. It's simple as that. When niggas bail out quick, it's cause they never took the time to really learn about who they fucking with. I'm a lesson you ain't never gonna be forget. Then look at my eyes, the first stage of Armageddon. Take these leaders of the back, jack them off for everything they got. Form a military might for when they want their shit back, bitch. I got some get rich quick schemes that's guaranteed, and all I need is nuts, brains, and the will to bleed. Greed's making me receive a new creed. What's that? Feed my need, don't let these motherfuckers breathe. I don't need to see the money, but show me the numbers. It ain't what I'm expecting, the club don't feel my thunder. Money keeps the whole world spinning, better understand it. It'll be like that till somebody turn their lights off for this little old player.
The world got me fucked up, what am I supposed to do? If I can't help my own, I'ma just take your shit from you. Don't care about your feelings, cause you sure won't care about mine. Success is all or nothing, so I can't get left behind. The world's on some whole shit, they want your ass to fail. The rich keep getting richer, but the poor can't go to hell. Am I gonna keep falling helplessly into their hands? Or activate my own plan and pimp it while I can?
They put you in office so you can make a change, but all you do is keep your way of life maintained. Fat Slim got a beef with you. People can't see it up close, but if they stand back, they see the picture. America's game plan, initiate the new world order, eliminate any man, woman or child who can't adjust to the age of Aquarius. When I think about it, I laugh, but it's not hilarious. Satanic symbols are all around us. You built a fantasy wonderland from the ground up. You lit up the name Illuminati. Now everybody who's in anybody's dying to join your party. The money we spend got all the margins on it. The products we buy got all the markers on it. Until lately you've been incredibly successful in keeping us from seeing you the flesh living devil. They'll be coming by the thousands like thieves in the night. So gather what you think you're gonna need for the fight. They'll be asking for your life and they ain't gonna be polite. When America's game plan has come to the light, they'll be coming by the thousands like thieves in the night to carry out the sinister plans of the Third Reich. They gonna ask you for your life and they will not be polite. So gather what you think you're gonna need for the fight. Back from the brinks, they thought they did me in, they don't know me well. I pull off a Holocaust for my show and tell, up in your face from another dimension. Before I begin with part 2 of my vengeance, take me back to Memphis, where they on that punk shit, that crunk shit, go hard shit, that pimp shit, and reconnect with controversial C. He keep that endo and that info just like the county registry.
Shake and hit a lick with them Colombians. We gon' be clocking 6 figures before the summer's end. Memphis is still a war zone. Buy all the land you can while it's cheap and kill for your own.
Hang with the fam cause I need that loving. My mom, kids, my sisters, my bobblehead cousins. Negative yak is besides the fact. I feel that love from the back, so we ride to the max. It's the ways of a Mac bitch. Act how I wanna act, stack how I stack. No slacking on the money track. I got that knack to attack from my status quo. You ain't gonna use your gifts, then what you got it for? This Census Bureau is leaning on my every word, dissecting every syllable, especially the verb. They say I move the crowd like it's a magic trick, moving the sticks while I groove in the mix. They call me Slick.
Slick's got no regrets, got no soul. It only gives you the